Good day, everyone. I'm Krisha Dizon Salenga.
And I'm Shane D. Kapati.
We are here to tackle the literary short story,
What title?
The Mirror of the Soul, which is connected to our biblical theme.
You are created in God's image and likeness. We all know that many people have so many insecurities in their bodies and even their face. These beliefs stem from the biblical account in Genesis verse 1, chapter 26 to 27, where it is stated, "Then God said, Let us make mankind in our image, in our likeness." So God created mankind in His image, in the image of God. He created them, male and female, He created them. So, Krisha, can you read the story?
Of course. So, Shane, are you ready?
Yes, of course.
So, the story follows a protagonist who embarks a journey of self-discovery using a mythical mirror as a tool to gain deeper insights into their inner world. The mirror reflects not only the physical appearance of the person but also their emotions, thoughts, and hidden desires. Through interactions with the mirror, the protagonist comes to understand the true nature of their soul, realizing the importance of self-awareness, acceptance, and transformation. The story emphasizes that true story wisdom comes from within, and only by confronting one's reflection can one achieve clarity and peace.
Wow, that is a beautiful story that has a lesson.
Shane, now that we are done in summary of the story, let's move on the formalism of the story.
So the event in the short story happened in a small village nestled between the mountains while the mystic was just traveling and visiting their village. So Krisha, can you introduce the characters of the short story?
Sure. The protagonist and the mystic have a very different lifestyle. The mystic is full of wisdom and understanding, while Ellie is full of question and has spent his life in shaping metals. Let's move on the plot of the story.
Okay, I will gonna read it. The protagonist comes to understand the true nature of their soul, realizing the importance of self-awareness, acceptance, and transformation. So, Krisha, can you read the conflict of the story?
Alright. Man versus self. Why? Because Ellie was asking himself every time he saw his reflection on the river.
Now, Krisha, that you have read the conflict of the story, let's move on to the last formalism of the story, which is the POV. Guys, are you ready? So, the author, which is Al Ghazali, uses third person's point of view because the narrator is telling us the story and their conversation. Now that we are done in the formalism of the story, let's move on to the biographical of the story. So, Krisha, can you read it?
So the author's name is Abu Hamid Muhammad Ibn Muhammad Al-Tusi Al-Ghazali. I don't know if I said it right, but he is also known as Al-Ghazali.
No, after reading the whole story of The Mirror of the Soul, I can relate to Ellie.
Why?
Because as a woman, as a person, as a teenager who always curious about things that surrounded us, like we will question ourselves that why is it happening? What if there's a lot of what if in our head and in our bodies, like when we saw a mirror then we see our face like we have a acne, something like that. As a person who have a lot of insecurities, like we will saying that what if some people saying in their mind that we are so ugly, and some people were gonna judge our fashion style, something like that, like we will gonna judge our skin tones. Then you will always saw that in a mirror, like you always curious about what people gonna say to you.
But always remember that nobody is perfect and God made us look like Him. We are born this way and we can improve ourselves by not judging everyone and don't think that they will judge us too. We are some people, we made mistakes, and yeah, we are created in God's image. Nobody's perfect. Just accept it.
And we are born to be peaceful, but some people gonna judge us.
But remember that we are pretty. Nobody is ugly.
And also, for me, I came to the realization that we should be grateful for our existence, for God who has given us the opportunity to live a simple life filled with joy, wisdom, and instruction.
We are encouraging you to read the short story titled
The Mirror of the Soul by Al Ghazali.
because as I said earlier that you will gonna learn some lessons, realization and some of the things that you are insecure with.
Learning to love yourself is important because God created us this way and we should accept it and be grateful for everyday life.
Bye.